take a look at toast, the staple food source of kitchens all around the world. First, make sure your wire rack is set to the middle position. This is the center of the oven, which allows the Element IQ system to deliver high heat evenly from the top and bottom elements for perfect toast. Now, be sure to place your bread slices close to the center of the rack. You can fit up to 4 slices of regular sandwich bread. Close the oven door and use the function dial to set the indicator on the LCD screen to toast. To change the darkness setting, press the center of the Temp dial until LCD display flashes darkness. Then turn the dial left to reduce the darkness or right to increase it. To change the number of slices, repeat the same action until Slices flashes on the LCD. To adjust, turn the Temp time dial, left to decrease or right to increase. Press the Start Cancel button and the timer will start. You can adjust the toasting presets during the cycle and stop it by pressing Stop. The Frozen Food button is a smart addition designed to help you achieve the best slice of toast every time. The Frozen button reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to make sure the toast is evenly heated without burning the outside. All right, who wants a kimchi spice chicken club sandwich?